Is ASOS eating or not? And I'm a size 22. I do have an apron belly. I wanted to do a try-on haul with you guys to give my first impression and to see what you guys think. So if that's something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Renee, a Southern girl from Texas. I like to talk about beauty, fashion, life at a big age, alopecia, and pretty much anything else I feel like talking about. Today we have an ASOS unboxing, and you'll get my first impression, and I'll get to see what you guys think about it as well. Now, y'all know I'm in my no-buy era, and so I'm gonna blame you all for this one, because I was doing some research looking for some items for you guys and ran across these things on sale that I totally could not pass up. So today is just going to be a first impressions unboxing, and then I'll come back and style them up later. The first thing is a t-shirt. I'm gonna try that on last. This one is some leather joggers. I'll try those on in a minute. I got some jeans. We'll try those on. And then these are some shorts because summer is coming. And so those are the only items that I got. And so let's jump right in. Now I do have on some, they're like shorts, but it's shapewear underneath. But I didn't want to be completely naked. So anywho, let's try these on. And so these are the jeans. The jeans are super wide leg, no distressing or any of that. You see how wide these legs are? And so I got these in a US 22. This is the ASOS brand. Just so you know, I'm filming a TikTok or an Instagram reel at the same time. So that's why I'm talking to two different cameras. But let's put these on. And like I said, they're super wide leg. Take this off. And so obviously I would not wear these with the pants. I mean, I could, but I would just wear some regular panties. But in respect for you guys, I'm covering up my goods. But yeah, so these are 22. And I don't know how you guys feel about super wide leg, but look how wide they are. They're super, super wide leg. But I love these. They cover my feet. So if I had on heels, it would probably come about right here. And I'm 5'5" for reference. But, and see how they look in the back? But I've still got room in the back, despite my apron belly. So I could put on a belt and tighten them up if I wanted to. Y'all, I got a new camera. I got that little DJI Pocket Osmo. And I am learning how to use it. So please bear with me. Please, please, please bear with me. There we go. What do y'all think about these jeans? Are these a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Let me know. The next pair that I'm going to try on, looks like y'all are crooked. These leather joggers are super cute. And so here's the bottom of them. They have elastic at the bottom. And there's no zipper or anything like that. So let's try these on and see what they are giving. Oh, and let me tell you about the size. These are also US 22. And so let's try these on. They have a button, and they also have a clasp, a double clasp. Now, to be honest, these are a little big. Let me just tuck my... I like that they're loose, that they're wide leg. I've got plenty of room in them. But they're a little big, so I would probably put a little dart on each side to cinch them in a little bit. Let's see how much gapping I have. I actually could have sized down in these, but because they were on sale, y'all, I think they were $17.50. And I just could not pass these up. So, and I can wear these in the fall, in the spring. Won't wear them in the summer here in Texas. But, yeah. So if you were thinking about ASOS, just know that they are generous in sizing. I am a 22, well, between a 20 and a 22. These are a little big. So if you're wondering how the clothes fit at ASOS, especially if you have an apron belly like mine, you will be good to go. They have pockets. I love the pleats right here. And the quality is excellent. Excellent. I mean, they're faux leather, but they're soft, they're buttery, they're not hard. These are, I think the material is called Jacquard, Jacquard. Let me see if it says it here. Well, it is polyester, and it does say keep away from fire. So, but I thought these were super cute. They actually look like a skirt. These are also a US 22 and have a little hook and eye closure back there. They are not lined, so these would be perfect, lightweight for the summer. And I love this buttery yellow color with the light pink. I just think it's just screams spring all over the place. Let's try these on. I really have a hard time buying pieces that zip in the back just because it's so hard for me to zip myself up. But because these are roomy, I have a lot of room, I can get away with it with these. And I'm not even gonna hook them just because I'm at home. But see how much I still have room in my tummy area? They're not too tight. I don't even think they're too short. Now, would I wear this shapewear with them? No. Maybe if I pull them up, but I don't want them to show underneath my shorts. But again, I just have them on for try-on purposes. I would probably just wear regular panties or some shorter bike shorts. But look at these, even with this little cropped shirt, I think this is super, super cute. Now, I purchased these with all of these things with my own coin. They are not sponsored. But come on, ASOS, if you want to sponsor your girl, by all means, I will not turn it down. I thought they had pockets, but I guess they don't. That was just the lining inside. But that is okay. Like I said, I will come back and style these up later, but I think this is a win. Again, these are shorts. It is not a skirt. So, super, super cute. And everything will be linked down below. Now, the last thing that I ordered was a t-shirt. I'm gonna be honest, red is not my color. I did not need a red t-shirt. However, you know how they, when you get to checkout and it says, you know, if you order $5 more or whatever, you'll get free shipping. And to me, it just makes sense. Even if I give the item away to somebody to get an item instead of paying for shipping, I just don't. I just don't pay for shipping. And so that was the reason why I got this shirt. I don't remember how much it was. It might have been $7 or something like that. But I figured I could pair it with some cute jeans or something and make it look super cute. Okay, so I have the jeans back on. And what size is this shirt? This is it says US 30, 32. I don't know what size that is. Does it have anything on the tag? I don't know, US 30, 32, maybe that's a 3X, I don't know. It's definitely oversized. Way oversized. So, it's long sleeve. I could even, got plenty of space. I could tuck it underneath my sports bra. Take it under my sports bra and let it hang down like that in the back, or I could, okay, well that's it. Alright guys, so let me know what you think about this ASOS haul. Have you tried ASOS before? Do you have certain pieces that you absolutely love? This is the first time I think that I've ever bought clothes from ASOS, but I am pleasantly surprised at the generous sizing. Y'all know, in terms of plus size, our options are slim to none when it comes to shopping. And so I like to give you guys an overview of how they look on an actual plus size body instead of, you know, the little skinny models that they show in the ads. Let me know your thoughts. Was this video helpful? As I mentioned, I'm a size 22, and yes, I do have an apron belly. Just, you know, obviously I've got it covered up with my shapewear, but yeah, I'm no different from you guys. I got a butt and hips and all that good stuff, but that's how they fit on me. I don't know what my measurements are, so don't ask. I haven't measured myself, but yeah. So hope that helped. Hope that was inspirational. If you have any additional questions, drop them down below and I will answer them. Talk to y'all later. Bye.